Hello, my gorgeous babes, and welcome back to the Bad Bitch Academy. It's your girl, Amber the Baddie, and welcome to our first Baddie Challenge. Now, I'm super excited because once again, right, we are doing Baddie Challenges every single week. And for this first Baddie Challenge, I want us to make a vision board. As you know, the theme for February is all about reinventing ourselves. Now, when it comes to reinventing yourself, the first step, right, is to acknowledge where you are right now. But the second step is to get clear on what your goals are and how you want to grow over the next course of your life, basically, right? But for now, we're going to focus on the next 3 months. Let's just do it chunk at a time, because what I've noticed for myself is that when I have goals that are sometimes like too big, like in 5 years, I want to do this. I think it's great to have those goals, but sometimes it doesn't feel like we're making enough progress, or that we're getting there, or that we can really see tangible results. So for this challenge, I want us to get clear on what our goals are for the next 3 months, okay? And as you're thinking about the next 3 months of your life, what do you envision for yourself? How do you want to grow? Are there any new habits you want to bring into your life? Is there a certain way you want to feel? Maybe you've been feeling a bit of like seasonal depression. You're like, I'm ready to be happy and high vibe and motivated again. Maybe it's a fitness or a health goal. Maybe it's a goal in your business, or you want to find a new job. But whatever it is, I just want you to start to think about, what are my goals for the next 3 months? And think of this in different categories, right? So we've got our health and our fitness. We've got our friendships and our relationships. That could be romantic or platonic. We have our personal environment. This could be where you live or your home. We have our work, business, or career. We've got our self-growth, self-love, and spirituality. So really your connection within and how you feel about yourself and about the world around you. So for this Baddie Challenge, I've got some amazing journal questions that I want you to answer. I'm going to link them in the description below. So over the next 7 days, I want you to take your time going through these journal questions. You could do one a day. You could do them all at once, whatever feels good for you. And then I'm also going to have you make a vision board. Now you can do it DIY style and buy some magazines, print out some pictures, make like a physical vision board, or you can do one online on a website like Canva or something else. I'm going to be giving you a tutorial on how to create a vision board on Canva. I'm going to walk you through my own process of me literally making my vision board in real time. So I'm going to go ahead, share my screen, and just kind of show you how you can make your own vision board. But the reason why we want to have the vision board is because we want to give our subconscious mind clarity. We want our mind to know, this is what I'm working towards. We want that repetition, right? So looking at it every day, having it as your phone background, or having it as your laptop, desktop background, or, in your wall, in your room, on your fridge, wherever you want it to be, but somewhere where you can look at it and see it all the time, and where you can just get some good positive energy to help you in achieving your goals. So let me go ahead and share my screen, and we're gonna make a fucking vision board. Now, like I said, I'm going to be using Canva. It's a free website. It's amazing. I use it for all my graphics and things like that. And let's just get into it. So for myself, right, as some of you may know, I am planning to move to Hawaii. And what I've been really spending a lot of time with, maybe too much time, honestly, is looking for an apartment and house hunting. A very fun process. And it's like, I know exactly what I want in the place that I'm trying to manifest. And that's kind of what I want my vision board to be about, because I really feel that my home is my sanctuary. And that's kind of what I want to focus on for this vision board. So here I am on Canva, and I'm just going to actually search for some templates for a vision board. And let's see what comes up. Ooh, whoa, whoa, whoa. I love it. Okay. I am really vibing. I'm like, which one of these do I like the most? Honestly, I'm vibing with this one. I like this vision board. So I'm just gonna click on it. I'm gonna customize it, and we're gonna do the damn thing. We're making this vision board. So for my vision board, I'm manifesting Hawaii. I'm manifesting an incredible apartment. I know exactly what I want from an apartment. I know we want 2 bedrooms, a balcony, a nice ass kitchen, hardwood floors, pet friendly, under $3,000 a month, within like a 15-minute walk to the beach. So as I'm choosing my pictures for the vision board, I'm gonna kind of keep those things in mind so that I can just, yeah, put in images and pictures that just feel right for me. So I'm gonna go to photos and I'm going to go to apartments. And let's just see if any of these apartments kind of represent what I would like. So let's actually do I'm going to do Kitchen Island because I'm a slut for Kitchen Island. Oh my God, this one is super cute. So I'm going to drag and drop that one right there. Ooh. I like how romantic this is. So I'm going to actually click on this one. And I'm just going to go through and pick some nice pictures that I want to put on my vision board. Things that represent not just the apartment, but Hawaii, my life as a whole, kind of getting up and moving across the country. So I'm going to, let's see. Let's type in Hawaii. I definitely want some beaches in here. Some sea turtles. Let's put a sea. Oh, actually, the sea turtle is cute there. Some mountains, surfing, and really just thinking of keywords and pictures that like are cute and give me like really good energy, right? Things that are going to make me super excited about what I'm working towards and what my life is going to look like. I'm such like I love smoothies, y'all. So yes, I'm putting smoothies on my vision board because for me, it kind of represents like a healthy lifestyle and like taking care of myself. So yeah, I'm just gonna add this. I'm gonna add like I want to find some awesome friends, a really great community. So I'm gonna type in best friends to just kind of call in these amazing women that I'm trying to bring into my life. Um, of course, y'all know I love money, so like abundance. Let's see if there's anything like pink, because y'all know I love pink. Let's maybe do pink money and see what comes up. Ooh, okay. I'm vibing with the hundreds. I love me some $100 bills, y'all. Okay, what else? I would love to do more traveling in the next year. So, ooh, I like this one. I'm gonna add this one here. Um, so also for my apartment, I'm gonna type in beach because I love the beach and I'm gonna be on the beach all the time. So adding a beach to the vision board. Let's see for love and relationships. Just getting like curious about what's gonna come up, what I can find. And honestly, a good tip is to put a couple of your own pictures in your vision board because that lets your mind be like, oh, yeah, this is already happening. So I'm actually going to go through some of my pictures and find some of me and my husband and add those to my vision board. Ooh, this is a super sexy one. I love it. I will add that one here. Did that work? I'm not sure. Yeah, nope. Okay. Going to add that picture here. Let me see if I have any other ideas. Let's see. I'm also going to just type in like luxury apartment. because I love luxury apartments, y'all. Like I said, this one is so good, right? Like ceiling to floor windows, such a vibe, such a vibe. So I'm gonna add that one here just to represent like what I'm calling in. I know this sounds weird to like put a picture of hardwood floors, but you'd be surprised how hard it is to find an apartment that does not have carpet. And like, ew, I don't like carpet. So yes, I'm putting this on my vision board. Judge me if you want to, but it's happening. And boom. And now let's see. Now I like the look of this, but like I'm not really vibing with the brown background. So I'm gonna play around, see. Ooh, I'm loving the blue. Okay. And I'm gonna put Hawaii Vision Board 2023. So let me just make this full screen so you can see it. So here you have it. This is my vision board for moving into a new place in Hawaii in 2023. As you saw, it didn't take me that long. And this is just, I'm going to have this as my phone background, just so that whenever I look on my phone, I'm just reminded of the beauty that is coming my way. So here you go. Here you have it. This is my vision board that I created. Let me stop sharing my screen. And there you have it. It's super easy. So, as I said, your Baddie challenge for the week is to answer the journal questions that are in the description. So, go ahead, take your time on answering those questions. They're just really going to help you to start to get clear on what it is that you want, how do you want to grow, and what are your goals? What are you calling in for the next 3 months, okay? And then your homework for this challenge is to make a vision board. Now, once again, I really encourage you to make a couple of vision boards. Maybe make one for your phone. You can have one for your laptop background. And if you want to print one out and have it in your bedroom or on the fridge or somewhere that you see it all the time, that would just be really amazing and helping you to get excited about what you're creating. And of course, as I said, every single week, with our Baddie challenges, one of you is going to win a free coaching session with me. Now, I know a lot of you maybe aren't in the best place financially and you'd love to work with me, you'd love to get a coach, but you can't afford it. So this is just my way of giving back to you guys and serving my community. So as you make your vision board, I want you to share this on Instagram, on a reel, on your story, in a post, and make sure to tag me at it's Amber the Baddie XOXO, and I will be doing a drawing where one of you is going to win a free coaching session with me. So make your vision board. I can't wait to see them. I can't wait just to see what you create. It's such a fun process to do, and I just can't wait for all of you to manifest every single thing that's on your vision board. So I love you so much. If you have any questions on how to make a vision board, let me know in the comments. This is our Baddie challenge, so all of us, we've got 7 days, okay? 7 days to answer these journal questions, create your vision board, and make sure you tag me on social media. I love you so much. Please subscribe to the channel. Please share these Baddie challenges with a friend if you want to buddy up and have a partner with this. This is just a really fun way to grow together. So I love you so much. Please subscribe to the channel. Please follow me on Instagram, and I will see you in the next video.